What if you could turn your Revit model into a realistic professional render in just a few minutes? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to render your Revit model in Lumion, even if you are a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will go from this to this. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button, let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. If you want the Revit model and the Lumion file I used for this tutorial, including materials, lighting setup and environment, you can access everything in the membership. It's perfect if you want to follow along without wasting hours setting things up from scratch. Step 1. Import your Revit model. You can export FBX file and import it in Lumion, or you can use Lumion Live Sync. Let's use the Live Sync. If you don't know how to export your model or how to install the Live Sync, I made a video for that. I will leave the link in the description section. Alright, we are here in Lumion. Click on Move Vertical. Click on this point here. Drag it up a bit. Okay. Now we've separated it from the grass. Step 2. Set your camera and scene. Position your model properly. Right click your mouse and hold to orbit around the building. Okay, I think this view is okay. Always choose a strong perspective. Good composition alone can make your render look 10 times better. Click on this camera icon, photo. Now adjust the focal length. Alright, set eye level to 1.6 meter. Now store the camera. Click here to store the camera. If you want to save another view, you can as well do the same thing. After adjusting it, enter the next column and store the camera. If you are completely new to Lumion and you don't know how to use the basic tools in Lumion, I made a video for that. I will leave the link in the description section. And if your scene feels slow or laggy, it's usually your hardware. A powerful laptop like HP Omen 16 RTX 4060 is great for rendering. You can as well check MSI Cyborg 15. This is a lightweight futuristic laptop with strong rendering performance. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. This is a high performance laptop for heavy rendering and large architectural scenes. I'll leave the link to this exact laptop if you want to buy it from Amazon store. I will recommend more laptops in the description section. Step 3. Apply materials. Click on materials and start selecting surfaces. Select the surface. Let me use the standard material. You can change the color from here. Let me use this. Reflectivity, reduce it. The glossiness, you can as well reduce it to 0.5. Then for the bricks, let's change the material to select it. Click on outdoor. Let's use these brick materials for now. Edit material. You can reduce the reflectivity. Let's use 0.5. Save changes. Don't forget to save your project. Click here, save, save as, enter the project name. Let's select the concrete fascia, standard material, reduce the reflectivity, let's use 0.3, the glossiness 0.5. If you want to use the same material, you can select it, click on these three dots, copy material. Let's paste it here, select it, paste. For the floor material, select it, click on indoor, select tiles. Here you can select any tiles of your choice. Alright, let's use this. Edit, you can reduce the scale. Now let's copy this material, copy it, let's paste it here. So we are going to use white window hood. Select it, paste. If you want to change the roof material, click on outdoor, roofing materials. We have some roofing materials here. Select any one of your choice. but I'm just going to edit the one I got from Revit. Select it, click on standard, reduce the reflectivity. Let's use 3. The glossiness, I'm gonna use 6. Then if you want to change the color, you can use this adjust the colorization. See it here. Then this one, let's do the same thing. Let's adjust the color. Now for the interlocking material, let's select it. Outdoor material. Select stone. Now you can use any of these materials. Let's check this. I think this looks better. Edit material. Adjust the scale. Increase it. Then the reflectivity. You can reduce it. Then the capstone. Select it. Let's use this. This is okay. Then select the grass. Click on various. You can use the 2D grass material or the 3D. Let's select the 3D. Let's use this. Okay. Then the glass material. Select it. Click on material. Let's use the outdoor glass. Select it. Glass. Let's use this. Click on edit material. You can adjust the reflectivity. The color. Select it. You can adjust the color here. Same with the window frame. If you want to adjust it, select it, edit. Let's use gray. Gray. Alright. Reflectivity. Reduce it. That's okay. Then the railing, select it. Outdoor. Let's use metal material. Let's try this. Okay, copy it and paste here too. Paste. If there is anything you do not understand, kindly leave it in the comment section. I will attend to it. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. And note, don't rush this step. Materials are what makes your model feel real. A precise mouse like the Logitech MX Master 3S really helps when adjusting materials and navigating smoothly in Lumion. Step 4. Add trees, plants and environment. Now let's bring life into the scene. Click on Contents Library, go to Nature, add trees, grass and plants. Click on Place. Now we have varieties of plants here. Let's use the fine detail trees. Then let's start with this. Place it. Click on Select. Now we are going to adjust the scale. Select the plant. Click on Scale. You can increase it or decrease it with the mouse button. Grouping this into layer can really help, so you can decide to hide some of the components. So we have layer 2 right here. Double click on it, edit. Let's change to plants. Finish it. Now we will place all these plants in layer 2. Let's move this to layer 2, the plant. So to copy it, select it, press alternate key, make a copy of it. So you can place these plants around the whole model. Let's add another plant. Okay, let's use this. Place it. Don't overcrowd it. A few well-placed elements look more realistic than too many. We'll add a few trees at the background. Place. Select this. Let's use this. You can place other varieties of plants. Let's use this. If you want more realistic background, you can place a building at the background. Click on Object, Place, click on Outdoor. Let's select any of these houses. Okay, we'll use this here. Place it here. You can place another one at the back. Now let's view the scene. Okay, let's add a few objects and go ahead to render it. Click on decoration. Let's select plant pots. Let's use this. Now let's add plants. Let's plant this flower inside it. Alright, you can increase the scale. Select the pots, increase the scale as well. Lastly, for this step, let's place a car here. Click on transport. Select any car of your choice. Let me use this. Place it here. You can select the car. Turn off show driver. You can change the color here. The license plate, select it. Choose any country of your choice. Okay. Step 5. Lighting. You can adjust sun direction and also set time of the day. Click on weather. This is the sun direction. You can adjust it here. I will leave it here. Then you can also place some artificial lights. Click on lights. Place. Let's use the line light. Okay, place it here. Select it. Adjust the width. You can as well adjust the color. Click on color. Adjust it. Then the brightness. You can adjust it too. When you're okay with it, you can make a copy of it. Let's copy it down here. Copy it down here too. Use the rotate tool and rotate it. Move it down here. Reduce the width. Now copy it down to this side also. Step 6. Render your image. Go to photo mode. Click on photo. Select the scene. This step is very critical. Let's add the first effect. Click on add effect. Let's use 2-point perspective. Click on it. Add the next effect. Real skies. Click on it. Click on the image. Now you can select any style of your choice. We have the cloudy, evening, morning, the overcast, sunset, the clear and the night. You can choose any one of your choice. Let's choose this. Adjust the heading. Click on add effects. The sun. Okay. You can adjust the heading as well, but we'll leave it at default. Click on add effect. The shadow. Reduce the shadow coloring. Turn on soft shadow and define detail shadow. Add the next effect, the reflection. Enable it. Click on this pen icon. Click add new plane. Now select the glass materials. Now finish it. Let's add the next effect, the skylight. You can reduce the saturation. Let's use 6. Turn on skylight in projected reflections. Render quality. Use high. Add effect. The color correction. Select it. Depending on the atmosphere that you want, you can choose to increase the temperature, but I will leave it like this. Let me increase the vibrance 0.2. Then the brightness I'll use 0.8. The contrast, let me use 0.7. Click on camera. If you want to increase the exposure, add it. Click on enhancement, sharpen. You leave it at default. So before you render, let's adjust this real sky. Click on real sky. Let me increase the brightness. Overall brightness, increase it also. Okay. Click on render. We have the email, the desktop, printer, and poster. The higher the rendering output, the better the quality. Let's use print. Select the folder you want to save it to. Enter the name. Save. Now it will start rendering. The rendering time depends on the capacity of your computer. Alright, we are done rendering it. Let's open the folder. Okay, this is it. And just like that, you now have a professional architectural render. If your render doesn't look good yet, don't worry. It's usually just lighting and materials. Small adjustment equals big difference. If you want the exact Revit model and Lumion scene I used in this tutorial, including materials, lighting setup, and environment, you can access everything in my membership. It's perfect if you want to follow along without wasting hours setting things up from scratch. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And you can support the channel with the thanks button below. Every little bit helps in making more tutorials like this. Thank you, I really appreciate it.